Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septeria18. I have here another great little project to share with you and also for you to make if you would like to give this a go. It uses one piece of 6x6 paper from your 6x6 paper pad, and what you get to make is a cute little booklet with two side pockets. Again, really easy. If you want to try something else where you could make with your 6x6, these cute little booklets are really fun to make, and these also make great little projects for you to add your goodies in, or to gift a little gift card to someone. You can add all sorts of little gifts in these little side pockets, and I'll show you the inside of these little pockets. This one here has a little bit of an extra addition to the booklet, which I'll show you in a minute, but we'll go ahead and I'll open this one first to show you what it looks like. I've got here some seam binding to hold the booklet closed by punching a hole on both ends of the booklet. I embellish the front, and I'll just take this seam binding out, and on the inside here are the two little side tuck pockets here, as you can see, and I've got in here a little it's a paper clip where for your planners, or a little place to bookmark your page, or add a little gift to somebody that does some planning. I've also got in here some washi tape sample on a acetate card, and then on this side pocket down here on the bottom I just packaged up some ephemeras, and then I used one of my tab die cut shapes to make a bag topper. I do have these in my Etsy store, which is a very popular seller, and you can use these page tab dies for all sorts of projects, but I like using them for to make as bag toppers on my pages. So they're little gifts you can put in there. You could also add like a tea bag for someone that may love tea, and that can also easily slide in there like that, and you can add your little note in here and tuck that in place and still close it up, and it's still very easy to fold over. I've also got these little packaged gummy bears. They also fit in here nicely, so you can package cute little sweets into these little packaging, into the side pockets, and then close that up as well. So they also make great little favour treat booklets for kids' parties. You can make a whole stack of them and label each of these with the names for the person you want to gift it to that's in the kids' party. You could add some little packs of jewellery, handmade jewellery in here as a gift. Also a gift card will fit in there nicely as well. So these are just some ways you could use up your little booklets. And I'll just show you the other ones that I've made, and the other booklet where I've changed it up a little bit. You could even just send it off like this in a small envelope as a little Happy Mail gift to somebody, and it will still be a nice little envelope packaged Happy Mail to send off. This is the other one I've made. I've got some tulle to make as a closure. I didn't put anything in this one. I just thought I'd make another one because these were really fun to make. And that's just the other one, just embellishing it on the side pockets here, and also just gives it a little bit of extra place so that nothing will fall out if you wanted to add some embellishment. And I think this is really cute. This one here, I've embellished the front, and this is one of my embellishments that I also have in my Etsy store. You get a pack of 4. I haven't got the pack to show you, but I do have these. I've hand punched out these flowers. Again, I've just got some ribbon here to close this up, and this one here, I made it like into a little notebook or a little booklet for your shopping list, or to add little quotes. And so it has these little pages that I've added to the booklet, and there's your side pocket. And these pages were just some printing paper that I just cut up, fold them in half, and then attached it with just a stapler. And that's the other little tuck spot there. That's another way you can do that, and it's also a great little gift if you want to make a pack of 3. You can make these up for your craft fairs. So that's just another great idea. So I'm going to show you how to make that really quickly. All you need is one piece of 6x6 paper. We're going to score it at 3 inches. If you don't have a scoreboard, all you need to do is just fold that in half. We're going to turn that over and we're going to score it at 1 inch and 5 inches. So all it is just 1 inch on each side. So if you don't have a scoreboard, you just need to mark it at 1 inch on that side, and then you can turn your page over and just mark it at 1 inch on the other side. And next what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this left panel and this bottom right one out. So we're going to just cut that out up to the middle score line. And then I'll do the same with the top one. And then these little pieces that you just cut out, you can keep them to the side, and then you can use these to make for your other projects, for embellishments. You can make these into flag banners, so don't throw them out. Alright, so now you've got these 2 little corners cut out. We can now just fold that over. We'll fold this one over, and then we'll fold the whole booklet over in half. And if your booklet doesn't want to close, what I tend to find that is these parts here, you may just want to just cut that out a little bit more, just slightly, just so that your booklet can close, which I tend to do. And then the same with this one. I'm just going to cut that out just a little bit. It just helps your book to close a bit. And then just line your paper up, and then what we'll do next is we're just going to glue down those little side pockets with some glue or double-sided tape. And you've created your little booklet with your side pockets, and that's all there is to this project. And then all you need to do is embellish your front of your booklet, add whatever goodies you would like. So what we'll do here is we're just going to place some glue just to the edge of those little flaps. Got too much glue. Just take a bit of that out. Okay, and then we'll just bring them over and we'll just seal that off. I've got too much glue on my one. Okay, and then I'll just pour that one over. And then you have created your little booklet with your 2 side pockets using one piece of 6x6 paper. You can also make these with larger size paper, so you don't have to use 6x6 paper, but I like using my 6x6 papers for these little cute projects. So there you have your little side pocket there, and you have your other one there. And you can also add these little pages in there if you would like as well, to make a notebook with your pockets. So I hope you give this a go. It's just another fun project for you using your 6x6 paper, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.